In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your website on GoDaddy. If you need to update your website name for branding, clarity, or simply because you want something that fits your site better, GoDaddy makes the process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that actually manages the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so all of your account options are visible. From there, click on your profile. This is where GoDaddy organizes your account-related settings and the products connected to your account. After opening your profile area, click on My Products. This section shows the websites, domains, and other services you currently have under your GoDaddy account. Now look for the specific website you want to update and select it. If you manage more than one website, double-check that you've chosen the correct one before making changes. That can help you avoid editing the wrong site by mistake. Once you've selected the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor for that site. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your website, it may take a few seconds to load, so just give it a moment if needed. After the editor opens, click on Settings. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your site. Inside Settings, choose Basic Information. This section contains core details about your website, including the site name. Here, you can change your site name and enter the new one you want to use. Make sure the name is spelled correctly and appears exactly the way you want visitors to see it. If your website name is part of your brand, it's a good idea to keep it consistent with your logo, page titles, and overall business identity. After entering the new site name, review it one more time before moving on. Small spelling errors or formatting issues are easy to miss, especially when making quick edits. And that's it. Once you update the name in this section, your website's name will be changed in GoDaddy. This is a simple but important update that can make your site look more professional and aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.